a sleek, sporty Chevy Camaro drives down an empty road at sunset. When it comes to American muscle cars, few brands are as iconic as Chevrolet, and within their lineup of powerful vehicles, sits the legendary Chevy Camaro. Close-ups of various angles and features of the car, its headlights, taillights, hood scoop etc. first introduced in 1966 in response to Ford's Mustang success. The Camaro has been turning heads and dropping jaws ever since with bold design and dominating performance. Jump cut to footage or stills from different generations showing off unique designs/features over time, i.e. 69 SS versus current ZL1. With each new model year came exciting innovations that kept fans coming back for more, from classic lines on early models all through modern aerodynamic curves embracing latest tech advancements making them better than ever before. Highlighting high-tech interior features such as infotainment system/touchscreen display/rising HUD. But looks aren't everything when it comes to this sports car. Under the hood lies impressive horsepower options offering unmatched acceleration and top-notch handling capabilities providing jaw-dropping excitement behind every turn. Footage showcasing speed tests/burnouts/drifting/stunts illustrating power like never seen before. Closing shot, a final dramatic view of a red hotcamero screeching away into distant silhouette. If you're looking for an unforgettable driving experience then look no further than America's most beloved muscle car. Come and take on some roads in one today.